How long do you need to be in a place to truly know it? A year? 10? 20? We've been in nature for 100 years, so we know a thing or two about it. It's a tough teacher, harsh, wild, and, oh yeah, always unpredictable. Some people think working in nature is a painful duty. For us, it's everything. For a century, we have built tools that make working in nature easier. From the wildest forests to the neatest gardens. Our tools are for people like you, who master every challenge with heart and soul. Built for nature. Trusted since 1926. STIHL.